Okay, so in this tutorial I will show you 3 websites from where you can download copyright free music and you can use this music for your YouTube video, Instagram, Facebook, etc. anywhere. So the first website I am going to show you is Ben Sound. Okay, after searching Ben Sound in Google, you have to click on this first page. Then you have to click on free music. Okay, and here you can see many categories of music. You can choose any categories, and to download a music you simply have to click on free download, and then you have to click on download and your music will be downloaded. But before you download the music, they are telling us that you can use this music for your YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, but in the description box you have to give them their attribution. What means you have to share this website in your description of your YouTube video. Okay, this was the first website, and the second website is Pixabay. Then you have to click on this first link. Okay, to download music from this Pixabay you have to click on music, and from here you can download free images also which are copyright free. I already described in my previous video. Okay, whatever, I will click on music. Okay, after clicking on music you can see there are different genre of music like electronic, beats, upbeat, beautiful plays, main title, alternative, hip hop, modern, classical, ambient, etc. Then there are different modes of music. You can check all of these, whatever. There are a huge amount of music. I personally like this website. So to download this music, simply you have to click on download and your music will be downloaded. Okay, and then the third website, Unminus. Okay, then you have to click on this first page. Then you can see there are different categories of music like chill out, sad, heavy, energy, grimy, happy, whatever. What kind of music video you are using in YouTube, you can simply choose a music similar to your YouTube video category. Suppose you are creating an emotional video, you can select sad, and then you can simply click on download and your music will be downloaded. Okay, if you want to play music here, you can enjoy. Okay, you can see there are super music. You will really enjoy this music. Okay, whatever. So this was all 3 websites I wanted to share with you. There are many more websites, but I personally like these 3 websites, and I hope this video will help you a lot. And if you really like this video, please subscribe my channel. Until then, stay blessed.